China might have some of the most intense street food in the world. The streets are louder, the cooking is faster, and somehow, every food stall feels more extreme than the last. Today, we're diving into China's craziest street foods, from giant soup dumplings and hand-pulled noodles to spicy wok dishes exploding with fire and flavor. And honestly, some of these foods look absolutely unreal. 1. Xiaolongbao, soup dumplings. These may look like normal dumplings until you bite into them. Inside each dumpling is hot soup. The thin wrapper holds rich broth and juicy meat together like a tiny edible balloon. And the moment they break open, the soup explodes with flavor. Watching trays of dumplings steaming inside bamboo baskets is honestly hypnotic. 2. Hand-pulled noodles. China's most satisfying food. Watching hand-pulled noodles being made almost feels fake. Dough gets stretched, folded, twisted, and pulled repeatedly until it transforms into long flowing noodles within seconds. The speed is unbelievable. Then the noodles hit boiling water before being covered in spicy oils, meat, garlic, herbs, and rich sauces. The final result looks insanely satisfying. 3. Wok fire. Street cooking. This is where Chinese street food becomes pure chaos. Massive flames shooting out of giant woks while chefs cook at lightning speed. Oil sizzling, metal clanging. Smoke everywhere. The energy feels intense. Everything happens so fast that it almost looks choreographed. 4. Chinese BBQ Skewers. At night, Chinese street markets become filled with smoke from endless BBQ skewers. Lamb, chicken, seafood, vegetables, everything grilled over open flames and covered in spicy seasoning powders. 5. Jianbing, China's street. Crepe. This crispy Chinese street crepe is one of the country's most popular breakfast foods. Eggs spread across hot batter, crispy crackers added inside, spicy sauces brushed on top, and fresh herbs layered everywhere. Crunchy, savory, sweet, spicy, every bite feels packed with texture. 6. Spicy Sichuan street. Foods. Sichuan food is famous for one thing: extreme spice. Bright red chili oil covering noodles, meats, dumplings, and bubbling hot pots. The food looks intense, and honestly, it probably is. 7. Chinese night markets. At night, China's food markets feel almost unreal. Neon lights, smoke in the air, crowds everywhere, hundreds of foods cooking at the same time. The entire atmosphere feels alive. So, does China have some of the craziest street food on Earth? Honestly, after seeing all this fire, spice, smoke, and chaos, I think the answer is definitely yes.